Hi, today we'll be reviewing the LaCie 1TB mobile drive in Moon Silver. Let's get started. The mobile drive is LaCie's departure from the familiar design language that we've all come to know and love in their mobile SSD family of products. With this new iteration, the element of a chamfer diamond cut is utilized on the aluminum body, which makes for a visually striking form that I personally love from a design standpoint. On the bottom of the drive, you'll see a single USB-C port with an LED indicator. The mobile drive is extremely lightweight and thin, which makes it a no-brainer for those needing a more portable option in an elegant form factor. Connecting to my MacBook Pro, the speed was impressively snappy considering the size of the hard drive. I was able to get up to 540 megabytes per second when transferring photos and 4K video files. As a digital nomad and designer, I feel that this SSD was created just for people like me. It's travel-friendly, beautiful to feel and look at, while made of high-quality components in typical LaCie fashion. The design feels fresh and something I've never seen before in the oversaturated market of portable SSDs. Sure, it serves the same function as other SSDs in this category, but you're investing in the unmatched design, portable convenience, and build of the product, which are the factors I value most. The LaCie Diamond hard drive is available now in a variety of storage options and can be purchased on BrandsWalk.com. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to see a specific product reviewed for future content, please comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.